YouTube, what is up? I am Ace, and today I wanted to share with you the Nomad Rugged Leather Case for your iPhone 12 series of phones. Now, this case does have the MagSafe integration into it. It's got the magnet ring, so it works with MagSafe chargers. It works with the MagSafe accessories. And I went on to Nomad and, purchased this. And I went ahead and unboxed it. So what do you say? Let's get into it. All right, we have got the Nomad Rugged Case for your iPhone 12 Pro Max with MagSafe. And what do we got here on the back? It is a leather from Chicago, USA. Shout out to Viper in Chicago. Develops a rugged patina over time. As you can see, it gets a little, after 100 days, it gets a nice patina, and you'll be able to see the MagSafe ring in it, which I think is kind of cool. And then it's got internal bumpers for 10-foot drop protection, which I will not be testing out. So, oh, and then also, this was also included, so I'm kind of curious about what that is. Let's find out what this is. Let's open this part up here real quick. What do we got going on here? Ooh, welcome to Nomad. And got some cool, I don't know if you can see all that. It's like, says Nomad branding, and it's got some graphical, almost like a geographical type thing happening there. And what do we got here? Oh, that's a cool sticker. Those are some cool stickers. There's some Nomad stickers. Ooh, dear fellow traveler. Huh. I don't really travel. Oh, no. I'm stoked. Okay, so let's get into the case, shall we? How do we open this thing up here? I want to say this just slides open. No? Maybe? Yeah, look at that. That just slides. Slide, slide, slippity slide. Okay. All right. Ooh, nice. Not too heavy. It's nice leather. Little felt on the inside. You see the MagSafe ring in there. Nice bumpers on it. Oh, very cool. Let's go ahead and pop in the old iPhone 12 Pro Max. See how it fits in there. All right, fits in there rather good, ooh. Yeah, that looks nice. Ooh, I like that little two-tone right there when it goes into the silicone rubbery sides of the bumper into the leather. That's pretty cool. All right, looking around it, check it. A little loose there, but not too bad here. It's just all through here, that's just tight. And on the bottom, it's got some good cutouts. It's not exact cutouts, but it is cut out for the speakers and for your lightning port up top. It's all fully enclosed. Nice stiff lips up here. It's a little loose up here for your volume up and down and your mute and toggle switch, but that's not too bad. Let's see. That's good and clicky. That's nice. Good and clicky buttons. We like clicky. And it's got a little bit of a raised lip here, so it is, if you set it down, face down, it's not too bad. Yeah, this is a nice little case. I'm definitely looking forward to that, patina that it gets on the leather. Let's go ahead and see how it works with the MagSafe. Got my little charger here, and ooh, pops right on there. Ooh, wow, that's yeah, that is a strong magnet. That's real strong. So I do want to check out something here. I was rocking with the Case case here, and yeah, it is a lot stronger. The magnet is a lot stronger with the Nomad case, and I really dig the leather. Really dig the leather. Now, in case you were wondering during the unboxing, you're like, Ace, where's your wedding ring? Anything happened that we should know about? No, I am still married. Mrs. Ace is still on the case. But when I got to looking at my hands under those bright lights, and I was like, ugh, they look scaly. So I got some lotion. So I put some lotion on the skin so you guys wouldn't have to look at all that hideousness. Anyway, this case, I'm digging this case. I've had it on for a couple of days now. I like how it gets scratches and little, nicks on it, but I dig it. That's the thing that I like about leather products, is when it patinas, when it gets older. As a matter of fact, they have on the Nomad website, it shows like day 1, day 100. It'll start showing a ring and a really nice patina on it. And I've marked on my calendar 100 days. I believe it's November 7th. Not from the day of this release or the day that I'm recording this, but the day that I first put the case on my phone. The date of the unboxing. So if you want to know the exact date that I did the unboxing, November 7th, 100 days backwards. Unless Siri steered me wrong, which she has been known to do from time to time. Anyway, rugged brown, black, and neutral. Those are the 3 case colors that you can get. The neutral is it's kind of a cream colored, lightly colored pale, but the only thing with this is if you don't like the scratches, if you don't like, the markings that the leather cases show, I would probably recommend more of the neutral color. It would probably show less of the indented imperfections. But this is a really nice case. Got, 10-foot drop protection. MagSafe's already built in. I haven't had any problems with using it with my, 3-in-1 charging station, any MagSafe products, my magnetic car mount, none of that. The puck, everything works great, and it's got a nice set of magnets on there. I've been rocking with my my little wallet case on there, no issues whatsoever. I think I'm really gonna dig this, and like I said, I don't know, I might do a little YouTube short in 100 days and been like, hey, here's the patina on my leather case. I just want to rub it. I just like to rub it. Mrs. Ace is like, what are you doing? Are you rubbing your phone again? I'm like, I can't help myself. I love to rub my phone. But anyways, it's a really nice leather. Anyways, guys and gals, if you like this video, drop me a like and sub to the channel for more. And YouTube, as always, be safe, be kind, peace and love. So, I'm gonna unbox this. Take 2. In case you were wondering when you're watching that unboxing, you're like, Ace, what happened to your wedding ring? Well, me and Ace are still married. Me and Mrs. Ace. All kinds of nicks and stuff. I was out, yard work and stuff like that. Anywho, that's not cool.